If you want quick and more affordable access to medical cannabis in Missouri, getting your medical marijuana card is quick and simple with live support and a money-back guarantee if you're not approved. Let's walk through how to get yours. Missouri qualifies a wide range of conditions: cancer, epilepsy, Crohn's disease, multiple sclerosis, PTSD, ALS, and more. If you're not sure if you qualify, Elevate Holistics makes it easy to check. Book a quick 15-minute telehealth appointment with a licensed Missouri doctor. The process is entirely online, private, and convenient. After your virtual evaluation, we can help you submit your application. With Elevate, you're guaranteed an amazing price. With your Missouri medical card, you can get access to dispensaries with better pricing, tax savings, and better product availability. You can also receive legal possession, consumption protections, and employment safeguards. Expect your card in as little as 2 weeks. The state aims to process applications within 30 days, and Elevate ensures everything runs smoothly. Missouri medical marijuana cards expire every 3 years, and renewing is quick with Elevate. Meet with your doctor, update your records, and keep access without interruption. Are you ready to simplify your medical marijuana card journey in Missouri? Book your Elevate Holistics telehealth appointment today. It's affordable, fast, and stress-free. Your legal access to cannabis is just a few clicks away. Thank you for letting Elevate be a part of your journey.